How to fix app not downloading on iPhone. So let's get started. First thing first, ensure you have a stable internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and cellular data to see if the issue persists. If this still goes on, then tap on the settings app on your mobile device, and inside the settings app, tap on your name as in Apple ID in the top of your settings, and it will navigate you to the Apple ID settings. Now scroll down and tap on the sign out option available in the red highlights in the bottom, and sign out of your Apple ID and log into your Apple ID again. So this might fix some temporary glitches or issues going on with downloading on your app. So now all you have to do is, after you log in back to your Apple ID, go to the settings app again, and now this time inside the settings, scroll down and tap on the general. Then scroll down again and tap on the transfer or reset iPhone. Then tap on reset. Then tap on reset all settings. It will not delete your data but will just reset system settings to default. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.